pose. This time, let's use layers to record the movements so that I don't lose the pose every time I click on Unbind Mesh. Go under Layers and click on Record. Repose the arms. I want to try an asymmetrical pose. Press R to rotate. All the changes or movements applied on the rig or mesh will be recorded under the new layer. If the record sign is on, it means the new layer is recording. So now I can go ahead and pose the arms for layers to record. Whenever the slider is clicked on and moved, the record icon changes to an eye icon. Move the slider towards the center to see Julie move back to the neutral pose. Negative value inverts the pose of the model. For example, for this pose, negative value moves the arms inwards instead of outwards.